Drawing a polygon using the circle method. Have you ever noticed how logos can feel balanced yet dynamic? This approach is a big reason why professional logo designers create shapes that are so perfectly balanced. They start from a central point and branch out evenly in a circle. Today, we will learn a key skill in geometric design: drawing regular polygons using the circle method. The circle method is a fascinating technique, often regarded as the most accurate way of drawing polygons. This method works by distributing the vertices evenly around a central point. This process involves inscribing a polygon inside a circle, meaning the polygon fits perfectly within the circle with each vertex touching the circle's boundary. By using this method, you can ensure that every side of your polygon is equal, and the shape is perfectly symmetrical. It's a favorite among designers who aim for precision and balance. To draw a polygon with 6 or more sides using the circle method, we'll follow a systematic approach. Start by drawing a circle that will outline the polygon. Use a compass to create a perfect circle, ensuring all points are equidistant from the center. Place the compass point at your chosen center. Adjust the width to match your desired radius, thereby determining the polygon's size. Rotate the compass steadily to draw a smooth circle. Place a dot at the center as your guide. Step 3. Draw a radius. Place a ruler at the center. You marked in the previous step. Now, carefully draw a straight line from this center point directly up to the edge of the circle. This line is what we call the radius. Before we proceed, let's discuss the central angle formula. First, let's understand what a central angle is. In a regular polygon, a central angle is the angle formed between two radii of the circle that passes through consecutive vertices of the polygon. Now, the formula to calculate the central angle of a regular polygon is central angle equals 360 degrees divided by n, where n represents the number of sides of the polygon. This formula is essential because it helps us determine how the entire circle is divided into equal parts by the polygon's vertices. Remember, this formula applies only to regular polygons, where all sides and angles are equal. Next, we'll see a practical example of how to apply this formula to find the measure of a central angle in a polygon with 6 sides. Step 4. Divide the circle using the central angle you've calculated. Place the protractor at the center of the circle to ensure accuracy. Measure the central angle you need for each section of the polygon. As you mark each angle, use a ruler for precision. This process helps ensure that your polygon will have equal sides and angles, which is crucial for regular polygons. Remember, this step is all about repetition. Continue measuring and marking until all sections are completed. Now that you've marked the points on the circle, we're ready to move on to step 5, connecting the points. Using your ruler, carefully draw straight lines between each pair of adjacent points you've marked. This is where the shape of your polygon will really start to take form. As you connect these points, notice how the lines come together to form a complete polygon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Follow me for more learning videos.